Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Sritu. Do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell right away. So as the title suggests, today I am going to tell you skincare mistakes to avoid if you are in your teenage or in your early 20s. As this is the age where most of us deals with skin issues. These are few mistakes which I have learned from my personal experiences, so thought of sharing with you guys. So without wasting any further time, let's begin. The first mistake is not knowing your skin type. As each and every skin is different, a same product can have different results on different people. So it becomes very important to understand which skincare type you belong to so that accordingly you can use the products which suits your skin type specifically. I'll be uploading a video soon on how to determine which skin type you belong to. The second mistake is not cleansing your face. The first step towards taking a good care of your skin begins with cleansing. So do make a point that you cleanse your skin for at least twice daily. Now for cleansing, you should use a gentle face wash and not something which makes your skin squeaky clean. As the main idea behind cleansing is to get rid of any kind of dirt and impurities from your skin and not to strip off the natural oils of your skin. So do make a point to use something which is mild on your skin and not something which makes your skin dry. I will recommend you to cleanse your skin with a gentle face wash twice or thrice a day and not more than that, as overwashing your skin may lead to dryness. But mistake is not exfoliating your skin. Now exfoliating your skin helps to get rid of dead skin cells, it removes the excess sebum production and opens up the clogged pores, which prevents formation of blackheads, whiteheads and acne. I know acne is the worst enemy in our teenage, so exfoliating your skin on regular basis will not only help in dealing with breakouts but will also help our skincare products to absorb in a better manner. It's my personal advice that you should not scrub your face more than twice a week if you are of a sensitive skin type. Another skin type can scrub their face for 2 to 3 times in a week depending on how your skin feels is sufficient. Not moisturizing your skin. Now doing a skincare does not mean you need to have 7 to 8 steps of routine. But what is important is to moisturize your skin really well. Never let your skin dry after cleansing. Make sure you pat it dry after cleansing your face and apply a moisturizer on your face. No matter what skin type you are, you can be normal, dry, acne prone, sensitive, combination, and for that matter of fact, oily skin beauties should also apply a moisturizer. I know most of you oily skin beauties think that more moisturization means more breakouts, but actually the truth is if you are going to use a moisturizer which suits your skin type, it will actually help your skin to stay hydrated, which will reduce the greasiness and oiliness from your skin. So for oily skin beauties, go for a lightweight gel based moisturizer rather than going for a cream based moisturizer. And whenever you are applying a moisturizer, make sure to carry it down till your neck so that your face and neck looks even. The fifth mistake is popping pimples. It's a complete no-no. I do understand that your skin goes through a lot, especially in your teens. The acne, the pimple and the breakout. But popping pimples will just cause more infection and make your acne more worse. And not only that, popping pimples might also give you scar. So rather you should keep your hands away from your face and let it subside on its own. Now just a heads up, many of you will come across many myths such as applying toothpaste on the zits helps to reduce the acne. But in reality, it is not going to do any good to you. So rather, if you have severe acne issues, then go to a dermat. He will suggest you what is better for you. Now, if you're someone who have like 1 or 2 zits, I will recommend you to try those acne patches which you have to stick on the acne just before going to the bed. And the next morning you will see that all the gunk have come out. So I will link down a few options in the description box below. You can check it out from there. Now the next mistake is not wearing sunscreen. Now no skincare routine is complete without using a sunscreen. So do make a point to apply your sunscreen daily. Most of us skip this step because of our negligence, and I am guilty of that too. So that's why I'm requesting you all to start from an early age applying sunscreen onto your face, as it doesn't matter whether you are indoors or outdoors, as the harmful UVA and UVB rays can still penetrate into our skin. Do make sure that you're wearing your sunscreen daily, as too much sun exposure can lead to sunburns, skin cancer and even early signs of skin aging. Now the next mistake is not changing our pillowcases. It is very important to change our pillowcases because there are bacteria built up on them and hence they affect our skin. So do your skin a favor and change your pillowcases every 1 to 2 days, and you will definitely see a significant change in your skin. And the last but not the least mistake is leaving your makeup on when you're off to bed. It is very important to double cleanse your face whenever you have makeup on before going to bed. So these were the skincare mistakes which you should avoid to have a healthy looking skin. Leave a comment down below to share your opinions. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Do support me in my YouTube journey by subscribing to my channel and clicking on that notification bell right away. That's all for today. I will see you in the next week. Till then, bye bye.